forever. The world is a big, beautiful place. So much to see and do. Hong Kong sometimes big feels a little scary. Big rides, big animals, big classroom, big challenges. And sometimes big worries even if you are excited at the same time. What are worries? Worries are thoughts like something bad might happen. I might make a mistake. I can't do this. Worry thoughts make your heart beat faster. Your stomach feels like it's full of butterflies. Guess what? You are bigger than your worries. You can learn to make your worries smaller and smaller and smaller. How start with knowing that lots of kids feel worried. You are not only. They worry about now noise, and that place, new people to meet and new things to try. Everybody worries even grown-ups. Do you worry there? Sure, I do. It's okay to feel that way. Worries are not forever. There are many ways to help your worries go away. Worries don't last as long as you talk about them to a patient, a brother, sister, or baby sister, a teacher, or someone else you trust. I am worried. Will you help me? Moving around can make your worries move away. Climb, jump, run. You will start to feel better. Dance, scratch. Keeping your hands busy helps to play with clay, draw, or paint. Build with blocks, dig in the sand. Wave goodbye to those worries. Whenever you need to calm yourself down, take a few deep breaths. Breathe in slowly through your nose. Let your smelling cookies. Breathe out slowly through your mouth. Let your boiling bubbles. Picture a place that makes you feel peaceful. If it helps, you can respect those words to yourself. Worries are not forever. Worries are not forever. When you are worried, you may need a big hug. Cuddle someone you love.
What?
Snuggle something soft. Now think. Good thoughts. I am fine. I am calm. I am safe. Worries are not forever. If they come back, you know just what to do. Thank you.